ମାନେ ଆଉ ଯାହା ଖାଉଛ ନ ଖାଉଛ କିନ୍ତୁ ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କର ପ୍ରଥମ ପସନ୍ଦ ହଉଛି ପାନ ମସଲା। ଲୋକମାନେ ଯଦି ପ୍ରତିଦିନ ପାନ ମସଲା ନ ଖାଇବେ ତାହେଲେ ତାଙ୍କର ଝାଡା ହବନି କି ଖାଦ୍ୟ ମଧ୍ୟ ହଜମ ହବନି। ମାନେ ଆମେ ମାନେ 5 ଟଙ୍କା କିମ୍ବା 10 ଟଙ୍କାରେ ପାନ ମସଲା କିଣୁଛେ କିନ୍ତୁ ସବୁଠାରୁ ଖରାପ ଜିନିଷ କଣ ହଉଛି ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି? ତା ଦେହରେ ଯୋଉ ପତିଟା ମିଶେଇକି ଆମେ ଖାଉଛେ କାରଣ ସେଥିରେ ତମାକୁ ଅଛି ଯାହାକୁ ଖାଇଲା ଫଳରେ କି ଆମକୁ କ୍ୟାନ୍ସର ପରି ରୋଗ ହେଇଥାଏ। ଆପଣମାନେ କିନ୍ତୁ ଜାଣିନଥିବେ ଯୋଉ ପାନ ମସଲାକୁ ଆପଣ 5 ଟଙ୍କା 10 ଟଙ୍କା ଦେଇ କିଣୁଛନ୍ତି ତାହାର ଇଣ୍ଡିଆରେ ମାର୍କେଟ ଭ୍ୟାଲୁ କେତେ? 46,000 କୋଟି। ହଁ ସାଙ୍ଗମାନେ ଆପଣ ବିଶ୍ୱାସ କରିପାରିବେନି ଏଇ ପାନ ମସଲା କମ୍ପାନୀ 46,000 କୋଟିର ବିଜନେସ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆରେ ଚଳଉଛି। କିନ୍ତୁ ସାଙ୍ଗମାନେ ଜାଣିବା ଚାରିଟା ଟପ୍ ପାନ ମସଲା କମ୍ପାନୀ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆରେ କେତେ ବଡ ବିଜନେସ କରିସାରିଛି।
DS Group is the owner of India's #1 pan masala brand, Rajanaganda. With a revenue of 10,000 crores, it has established itself as a leader in the pan masala market. The company invests heavily in hiring celebrities for its advertising, drawing attention to its top-tier products. As the executives strategize, they explore creative ideas to leverage celebrity influence, aiming to connect with a diverse audience. Their latest campaign showcases prominent figures endorsing Rajanaganda, ensuring it remains at the forefront of consumer minds. The promotional event buzzes with anticipation as fans celebrate their favorite star who embodies the essence of Rajanaganda. This advertisement portrays not just a product, but a cherished moment of connection that resonates deeply with audiences across India. The new television commercial captures the spirit of togetherness, highlighting how Rajanaganda enhances life's special moments. Meanwhile, the eye-catching billboard serves as a powerful reminder of the brand's presence, reinforcing its status as a household favorite. Vimal Group stands as the sole owner of Vimal Pan Masala, boasting an impressive revenue of 1,600 crore, largely propelled by endorsements from popular celebrities. The operation thrives in a bustling factory where diligent workers package Vimal Pan Masala products, illustrating the extensive production scale, while beloved celebrities share their heartfelt endorsements, reinforcing the brand's appeal. At an energetic promotional event, a renowned celebrity chef captivates the audience with innovative ways to savor Vimal Pan Masala, while in stores a visually appealing display of multiple flavors attracts curious customers eager to try the product. Godfrey Phillips India is the owner of Pan Vilas, holding a 20% market share in Gujarat, and is renowned for its luxury branding and exquisite taste. With a rich heritage in the tobacco industry, Godfrey Phillips India has established Pan Vilas as a symbol of opulence and quality, captivating the hearts of consumers across Gujarat. The allure of Pan Vilas not only lies in its luxurious branding, but also in the unique blend of flavors that have made it a favorite among discerning smokers throughout the region. Dala, a brand that has stood the test of time and is widely recognized in the market, boasting an impressive revenue of 900 crores. The brand's legacy is evident as it continues to attract consumers, reflecting a blend of tradition and modern appeal that keeps Pan Parag at the forefront of the industry. With a rich history dating back decades, Kathari product has successfully melded tradition with innovation, ensuring that Pan Parag remains a household name across.
भिडियोटी भल लागिले लाइक कमेंट शेयर सब्सक्राइब करने को आपण माने टोटाली भूलिबेनी।